How to get Midjourney discount promo codes. Now in this video, I'll show you where you can find and use discount codes while using Midjourney. Now Midjourney is totally free, but there are some specific prompts that requires you to use a certain amount of credits. So first is open up web browser and you're gonna have to go into this website that's gonna be called simplycodes.com. Now once you're on their official site, just click this magnifying glass here and then search for Mid Journey. Now click this option here, and then on the next page, you will see a lot of results here. And it was last verified a year ago, but last use was 16 hours ago. Now these codes right here are totally working. Just click this option here to say show code, copy it, paste it into your cart on Midjourney. And that's how you get and find Midjourney discount promo codes.